So you might be in a situation where the iPhone sensor light or the proximity sensor on the top of your iPhone is not working. Now, this is a very common issue. The first thing I would recommend doing though is on your iPhone, kind of take a look at your specific display, especially where that, proximity sensor usually is. All you want to do is make sure nothing is covering that up. This includes screen protectors, cases, if you have a bunch of smudges or tape or anything remotely kind of even close to that on the top of your display, just go ahead and clean that out. And that is probably going to end up fixing the situation for a majority of people out there. It's not even funny how common that type of situation is. I personally never had that, happen to me. In other ways, yeah. But just go ahead and clean that out or remove whatever is covering it. And that can help alleviate the situation as well. Now, let's say you go ahead and do that and that is not causing any issues. Well, the next thing you want to do is go ahead, at least from what everybody recommends, is to power cycle your phone. So just, power it off and power it back on. So go ahead and hold down the power buttons that you usually would to go and power down your phone. And go ahead, slide the power off. You can keep your phone off for a few seconds and then go ahead and power it back on by holding the side button and let that phone power back on. At that moment, a few things are going to happen. Your phone is going to boot up and you might see that a little sensor light may, actually light up. If you're over a camera like this, you'll be able to see it actually, which is cool. In real life, you probably won't be able to see it. And then you want to try that application or, check if the light's working. If it is, then you're good. If it's still not working, the next thing you can try doing is try updating your phone. If you are in a situation where your phone is severely outdated, that can probably be a reason why it's not working. So go into your settings, click on General, click on Software Update, and go ahead and just update your phone as you normally would. And that may end up fixing the situation as well. Again, not a guarantee, but it's another thing you can try doing. Now, finally, if none of those things are working and you can tell for a fact that you didn't break your phone, you didn't drop your phone on the face or anything like that, you may want to try updating the applications in which you're trying. So if you're trying to use the sensor proximity light in a different application, just go ahead and update that application, and that could end up fixing the situation as well. And that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.